Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the BOLT-250 in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Alright, now we're going to unwrap them and take them out of this box. And don't forget to tell us if there is a Demonia or New Rock style that you want to see unboxed next time. Let us know in the comments and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. Now this mid-calf combat boot is consistently one of our best-selling unisex boots since its release. And you'll see why they're so popular in a moment. Let me just get this other one unwrapped as well. Alright, here we have it. As you can see, its main features are these grommet buckle straps and the chains, of course. Okay, let's get a close-up of these buckles. They've got the Demonia logo on them as well. And this chain has these little clips as well where they clip in. I believe you would be able to remove the chains if you just unclip them of both ends, and they should just come through these holes, so you could probably take them off if you wanted to. Now it is a 10 eyelet lace-up boot with the round laces as well as the buckles, but there's also the full length inside zipper as well. So once you've done them up with your laces, you can just unzip them to get them on and off easier. Now the inside lining of the shoe, we've got the fake leather on the tongue and also that soft spongy material on the inside of the shoe there. This will just make them a little bit more comfortable and warmer on the inside than if they were lined with fake leather. And a little Demonia logo on the tag. I feel like these zippers also on this model are a little bit more heavy duty compared to some other zippers that you see. Now this shoe has like a 1 1/4 inch heel with pretty much flat the rest of the shoe. It's not really a platform, it'd be less than an inch. And we've got this lightning bolt design on the bottom as well as the Demonia logo on a little metal plate there as well under the sole. So let us know in the comments what you think of this style. And the BOLT-250 is a unisex model which comes in men's USA sizes 4 to 14, which also converts to women's USA 6 to 16 or European 36 to 46. So the other shoe, same thing, we just take a look at both of them and then we'll put them together. And if you do like our unboxing videos, then consider helping our channel to grow by subscribing, liking and commenting. This will help encourage us to make more of these unboxing videos for you. So I just want to show how they look together as well from a few angles. And I'm not going to lace them up completely today. This is just to give you an idea of what to expect when you buy Demonia shoes. Well, that's just about all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.